Pirate Gran used to be a pirate when she was younger. Pirate Gran was furious when Grandpa got hung up. She sinks sherry, but pirates mostly drink rum. She cooks roast beef and she carves it with a cutlass. I'm having a treasure. Via this book, Fan Thing Pure Soon Cool. She makes cake for her crocodile's birthday. It makes a difference to sponge, but it's actually made of seaweed.